you gonna turn it up. You gonna turn me up. So stand up. Stand up or I'ma stand you up. Stand up or I'ma stand you up. Cause I don't know who you hollering at. You.
Hey, y'all fuck with me, man.
Get down, man.
Hey, y'all fuck with me, man. Why y'all fuck with me?
What you got going, man?
Went to the store for my girl right quick.
Huh?
Went to the store for my girl going right
I'm not saying I'm talking. Why you stop in the middle of the street? That don't even make sense.
Nah, you better see you put blue lights on me.
I mean, yeah, you gotta pull.
You put the lights on me.
Yeah, that means you gotta pull over. You ain't pull over. You put it in park.
I was pulling over.
I ain't worried about it. Let me see that license. You don't remember me, do you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bro.
Why I keep running into you out here?
Huh?
Why I keep running into you out here?
Before I went and stole my girl.
Cause you know what I got you for last time?
Yes, sir.
You got it on you now?
No, sir. No, sir.
What's in that bag?
Nothing. This thing here was down that bag.
Quit smoking that stuff. Sit tight. Hey, Tiffo. When last time you checked it with your PO?
See, the same day I went to court. The day I went to court on June the 10th.
5-4, you got traffic for me. Step back.
That's where you copy confidential.
Hey, 10-4, send it.
Hello. Do what?
Put your phone up there.
Man, why y'all stop me for?
Man, listen right now.
Why y'all stop me?
Listen, with all this hollering, you gonna turn it up. You gonna turn me up. So stand up. Stand up or I'ma stand you up. Stand up or I'ma stand you up.
What reason you stopping?
Stand up or I'ma stand you up.
Come on, man. Damn, let me stand up. Damn.
Stand up and turn around, cause I don't know who you hollering at. You.
Hold the net.
Hey, y'all fuck with me, man.
Get down, man.
Hey, y'all fuck with me, man. Why y'all fuck with me?
Yeah.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground, I'm gonna tase you.
Do that shit.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Yeah.
Get on the ground.
Turn him around.
You picked the wrong
Turn him around.
You picked the wrong officer.
Get on the ground.
You picked the wrong officer.
Turn him around.
You picked the wrong officer.
You allowed to kill today. Bam, bitch, turn over. You give me a hit, but mix like a breeze.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn him. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I got his hands. I got his hands.
Who is that?
That's my daughter, man.
Hey.
Step back. Step back.
He wanted to fight.
We're far the way.
Get down. I got it. Hey. Leave your hands.
back, girl.
Leave it. Hey. Leave your hands. Hey. Get down.
In the street.
Get the key right there.
Okay.
In the street, yeah, go.
My mama's phone. Lord.
Hey, get the phone. You got the phone?
He got the phone.
Hey, get the key right front by your face right there.
Okay. Give us the key. Give us the keys.
You did all that. You did all that over parole with.
Can I close the door?
I was gonna call your
Hey, get my license.
Shit, let's go to court. I was gonna call your PO. You was gonna go home. You have your life trying to take off on me. I ain't one of them. Now you going to jail with a wheel of things.
You a double me when you get me back.
You the one tried to fight.
I ain't hit you. I ain't hit you. Oh God, I ain't hit you. On life, I ain't hit you.
Get inside. Get inside.
I got a lawyer for that.
There you go, do it.
That's permanent. That's permanent. You know traffic. 1 up 97. That's left.
I'm not here. I'm sorry.
I got him last time. He had a bunch of crack on him.
I'm sorry, man. I was just trying to pick up my mama's phone. You good? I'm gonna just have you step back by that trash can for me. All the way down there. By that trash can.
What have you got to do with this?
This is my mom's car.
Okay.
Okay.
And somebody was in it. So
yeah.
Hey, stand over here. Stand over here in the shade.
And that's a good idea.
72, go ahead.
Hey man, you good? Was that his bag?
72, that's affirmative.
That black bag? I think that was his.
X-ray 80. Copy, follow. X-ray 81, X-ray 82.
Yeah, bring it out there.
X-ray 81, X-ray 82. Service in progress of the double B's Exxon 7724 Powder Springs Road, 7724 Powder Springs Road. At the double B's. Employees reporting that a black female under 60s wearing a red shirt, black jacket with black pants, used the bathroom on the floor of the business. She's now refusing to leave. They believe the suspect is